Okay, Assalamu alaikum children. Okay, let's go through this picture first. There are many things in this picture. Boy, there is a boy. This is a boy, right? What is this? It is a toy. What is this? It is a toy. And this is a dog. This is a log. This is a log. This is a boy. And what is this? It is a toy. What is this? It is a dog. And what is this? It is a log. Let's read now. A boy. A boy. Can you see? A boy. A boy. One boy. There is one boy. So you say a boy. A means one. A boy. One boy. Roy is a boy. What is his name? He is Roy. Roy. Roy has a toy. Oh, look. Roy has a toy. Can you see his toy? He has a toy. Do you have toys? Okay. Joy is a dog. Oh, what is this? Dog. It's a dog. What is his name? Joy. Joy is a dog. Joy, the dog is on the log. Where is the dog sitting? It is sitting on the log. Right? Okay, then read again and again.